Hello, how to add home button in Microsoft Edge on PC. In Edge, click on the three dots on the right side of the toolbar. Then click on Settings. Now in the menu on the left, select Appearance. Scroll down to the Home button option and activate it. Now we have a home button in front of the address bar. By clicking on the Set Button URL option, we can specify which website will be the home page. Enter the desired page and click Save. Clicking the Home button takes us there. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and see you next time.